Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Everything is everything.
That's
But
right.
we're going to get straight into our hot topics, starting it off with Jason Momoa. So, Jason Momoa, after his split with Lisa Bonet, seriously a bombshell.
That's right.
He is
and
now
our
living...
She's Hot winner,
That's right.
by the way.
Jason Momoa is now living in an RV luxuriously.
The mobile
But
home.
still.
But I will say, Lisa Bonet, I'm proud of you. I'm glad you took the house, and I'm glad Jason Momoa is riding the mobile home. What do you think, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, they have some things they're going to have to work over, some things they're going to have to talk about.
That's right.
But my opinion, they're going to get back together sooner or later.
Definitely. They have 2 kids together, Wolf and Coyote, and I really... That was a joke, but I really, no disrespect to their kids, but I really do feel like they'll come back together. It doesn't look like they seem like the cheating types. Also, they have 2 kids together. Let's get to our next hot topic.
Can you believe that?
Dr. Ross, my opinion on this is that Jason Momoa and Lisa Bonet are meant for each other, even though they're yin and yang.
That's right. Just like you were saying, yin and yang, like Lisa Bonet, she likes to stay home and she likes to relax. And Jason Momoa, maybe he wants to go outside, feel a little bit of fresh air because he is adventurous. And it's hard when you have someone who is so attractive and, you know, they're in all these big movies right now. So he's the big talk of the town right now. And, you know, girls are going crazy about him. So that can be difficult because Lisa Bonet is also attractive, but she's just not trending at this moment with all the movies and, you know, so he's going to get a little bit more attention.
You know what, you're absolutely right with that, Dr. Ross. But we're going to cut it short and we're going to move into our next hot topic with Kanye West. So Kanye West was spotted with Miss Julia Fox at another gala, and Kanye West, are you trying to be Spider-Man? You're not the black Spider-Man. You need to chill out with all of these masks. You're zipping it up, and then you have Julia Fox next to you with the raccoon makeup, looking like a box.
All I want to say is every time I look at Kanye and Julia Fox, no offense to them because, you know, they seem like they're happy together, but every time I look at Julia Fox and Kanye, I think of, you know, the cereal Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs, when it's talking about how crazy they are.
Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs!
Maybe tighten the screws a bit.
That's right.
And maybe stop sipping on the Hennessy and having
Take
too
your
many.
medicine. That's what
right.
we have to say.
Absolutely right. But Kanye
And
West...
Julia, I can't tell at this point if she's crazy or she's pretending to be crazy to get some more money. No way she's going out the house looking like a raccoon saying this is what's in right now.
However, Dr. Ross, with Miss Julia Fox, even though she's saying that she's been with billionaires, I don't believe her. For one, she doesn't look like it, and for 2, this is the most that she has ever gotten.
Yeah, she's had a lot of fun, I guess.
That's right, she's having a lot of fun, she's having the spotlight. Dr. Ross, she's enjoying life right now.
That's right, and she's getting to see the world.
That's right, she's traveling. I almost forgot about that.
That's right, and it's like you said, IK, I don't really believe that she was with billionaires before. I actually don't know the reason for saying that she was with billionaires before, because my question is, why were you with them in the first place? What does the status of being a billionaire have to do with anything? She could have said, if they were talking about that she's going for the money, she could have said, I've been with homeless people. For the love.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So that's all I have to say about that. So, on to our next hot topic, IK.
So we're going to get into our final hot topic for today. That's right, we're going to be cutting it a bit short because we have places to be and things to do.
That's right.
But our final hot topic is going to be with Justin Timberlake, actually.
Wow.
So Justin Timberlake makes a surprise appearance in Janet Jackson's Tell All doc. And if you guys do not know, Janet Jackson's documentary just released. So make sure to stay tuned because we'll have an in-depth review on that.
That's right. Go check it out.
That's right.
I feel like also about the Janet Jackson, Justin Timberlake debacle, let's all be honest now, either whether you think that it was rigged up, that it was fake, that is for you to decide, or if you think that it was wrong in any way, that Justin Timberlake did Janet Jackson wrong. We also have to understand that that was years and years and years ago when they were younger. So I really think people, when they watch this documentary, they shouldn't come back and bring up all the bad things again and try to make Justin Timberlake apologize for what he did again. because he already said sorry in public, and he said he didn't mean it, and you know, it was when he was a kid, so it's in there for that.
You're right, and Dr. Ross, I'm gonna agree with you wholeheartedly on the part where you're saying it's all rigged up, because that seemed more sketchy, more kind of set up. We'll put the clip right here, and we'll let you guys decide for yourselves.
See,
But we're gonna cut this topic off short, and we're gonna see you guys in the next episode of Rose and Ghouls.
Stay warm in Texas. It's cold right now.
That's right, but make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video to all your friends and family, because we are making new videos at least once a week.
Okay.
But we'll make sure to let you guys know on our Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Link is in the description below.
That's right, we're almost to 200,000.
That's right. We'll catch you guys on the next episode of Rose and Ghouls.